Hello, and welcome to this session, Learning Outcome LO3, Understand the Process of Cellular Respiration. Today we will learn that cells power their essential functions through cellular respiration, the process that releases energy from glucose within cells. This energy is vital for survival, supporting movement, growth, repair, and other critical cellular activities. Cellular respiration is the process cells use to release energy from glucose. This energy is captured in the form of ATP. ATP fuels movement, growth, repair, and all metabolic activities. Respiration occurs in every living cell. It is essential for survival. There are two main types of cellular respiration. Aerobic respiration uses oxygen and releases a large amount of ATP. Anaerobic respiration occurs without oxygen. It releases far less ATP. Both types are vital for different cellular conditions. Aerobic respiration mainly occurs in the mitochondria. It releases the most energy because glucose is fully broken down. The overall equation is glucose plus oxygen equals carbon dioxide, water, and ATP. This process involves glycolysis, the Krebs cycle, and the electron transport chain. Around 30 to 32 ATP are produced per glucose. Glycolysis takes place in the cytoplasm. Here, glucose is split into two molecules of pyruvate. A small amount of ATP is produced. This stage does not require oxygen. It is the first step in aerobic respiration. The Krebs cycle occurs in the mitochondrial matrix. Pyruvate is further broken down, carbon dioxide is released, and hydrogen carriers are produced. These carriers are essential for the next stage. The cycle is vital for energy production. The electron transport chain is on the mitochondrial membrane. Hydrogen carriers release energy to make ATP. Oxygen is the final electron acceptor, forming water. This stage produces the most ATP. It is crucial for cellular energy. Anaerobic respiration occurs without oxygen. In animals, glucose converts to lactic acid and a small amount of ATP. This allows short bursts of energy. However, it causes lactic acid buildup, leading to muscle fatigue. It is useful during intense exercise. In yeast and plants, anaerobic respiration produces ethanol, carbon dioxide, and ATP. This process is called fermentation. It is used in baking and alcoholic fermentation. Only 2 ATP per glucose are produced. It is less efficient than aerobic respiration. Cellular respiration provides continuous energy for all living organisms. It powers muscle contraction, nerve impulses, and protein synthesis. It supports growth, tissue repair, and life sustenance. Physiological processes like breathing and digestion rely on it. It is fundamental for survival. Correct. Aerobic and anaerobic respiration release energy from glucose differently. Aerobic respiration requires oxygen and occurs in mitochondria. It produces more ATP. Anaerobic respiration does not need oxygen and occurs in the cytoplasm. It is quicker but less efficient. Aerobic respiration is slower but highly efficient. It is suited for long-term energy production. Anaerobic respiration is faster but produces less ATP. It is ideal for quick energy bursts. Each process has its unique role. Glucose is the primary fuel molecule in aerobic respiration. It stores chemical energy in its bonds. Oxygen is essential for breaking these bonds efficiently. Together, they enable ATP production. Cells rely on this process for energy. Glycolysis splits glucose into pyruvate in the cytoplasm. A small amount of ATP is produced. Pyruvate retains most of the energy. Oxygen is crucial for subsequent stages. Glycolysis initiates the energy release process. In the Krebs cycle, pyruvate is further broken down. Carbon dioxide is released as a waste product. Energy-rich electrons are loaded onto carriers like NADH. These carriers transport electrons to the electron transport chain. This stage is vital for energy transfer. Oxygen is crucial in the electron transport chain. Electrons move through protein complexes, generating ATP. Oxygen acts as the final electron acceptor. It forms water by combining with electrons and hydrogen ions. Without oxygen, the chain cannot function. Aerobic respiration produces around 30 to 32 ATP per glucose. It is highly efficient. The presence of glucose and oxygen maximizes energy extraction. This process supports stable cellular function. It enables long-term activity. Aerobic respiration is efficient, producing more ATP. Anaerobic respiration is faster, but less efficient. Each process serves different energy needs. Oxygen presence dictates which process prevails. Both are essential for cellular energy management. Cellular respiration is fundamental for life. It powers essential biological processes. It supports growth, repair, and sustenance. Energy management depends on respiration. Understanding it is crucial for biological sciences. Anaerobic respiration is vital in low oxygen situations. It provides quick energy bursts. It is used in baking and alcohol production. Fermentation is a key process in several industries. It highlights the versatility of cellular respiration. Cellular respiration is a complex yet essential process. It enables life by providing energy. Both aerobic and anaerobic pathways are crucial. Understanding these processes enhances our grasp of biology. It is a cornerstone of life sciences. In conclusion, a thorough understanding of its principles is essential for the study of biological sciences. If you have any questions, please send a message to our WhatsApp number 074843616888, and a member of our team will be happy to assist you. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you at the next session.